Hello, financial fans. The market's doing a little bit better this week than it was the last time we talked. I've not bought or sold anything to report at this time. The various indexes, we'll begin with the SPY. Year to date, SPY, that's the S&P 500, is up 15.79%. With less than half the year gone now, it's up a lot, 15.79% for SPY. The Dow Industrial Average is up for the year to date 4.56%, more than 4.5%. The Dow Industrial Average is up year to date. And year to date, QQQ NASDAQ outperforming everything. It is now up 38.39% year to date. My own portfolio performance is nowhere near as good as those that we've just mentioned. My portfolio is up, though. It was down last week. It is up now, and it is up 0.65% year to date. So at least it is up. We'll see if it continues to go up. A lot of the numbers look pretty good. We'll look at 4 stocks here and check and see if these numbers are inviting enough for anyone to move into the market. I am not a financial advisor, and any money you do invest in any stock can be lost. Looking at Citigroup, symbol is C. The last price $48.22 per share. The column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $40 and a penny was the low for the 52 weeks, and $54.56 was the high. So it's kind of nestled in the middle right now at $48.22 per share. The average volume, about 16.5 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value. Middle column, third item down, PE ratio 6.67. That's nice. We like a low PE ratio under 10 if possible. The forward dividend and yield 4.2% is what one would get for just holding on to the stock. And the 1-year target estimate, $57.31. That would be a big move upward. Next, we take a look at CNQ. That's the symbol for Canadian Natural Resources Limited. And the price, last price, $55 per share. The 52-week range, $43.67 per share was the low, and $62.57 was the high. Average volume, a little over 2 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. PE ratio 8.64, and the forward dividend and yield is now yielding 4.77%. That's what you get for holding on to the stock, and maybe a year from now you'll sell at the target price of $68.37, but none of that is absolutely certain. Next we look at HSBC Holdings, and the symbol is HSBC. Last price was $39.09 per share. The 52-week range, $24.77 was the low, so it's well ahead of there, and $39.63 was the high for the 52-week range, so it is almost at its high. So it must have had some good news recently. The average volume, about 2 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. PE ratio 6.97. The forward dividend and yield, a little over 5%, 5.43% is the dividend that you receive for holding on to the stock. The 1-year target, $49.98. That would be a nice upward move. Next and last, we look at Ryder Systems, symbol R. The last price, $82.26. The 52-week range, $65.69 was the low and $102.36 per share was the high. The average volume, low trading volume, certainly under 1 million shares, 284,000, make it 285,000 shares trade every day, so be careful trading a stock that does not trade 1 million shares or more. The stock is considered to be undervalued, and the PE ratio about 5, the forward dividend and yield about 3%, and the 1-year target estimate $99.33. That would be a big move upward, and I thank you very much for watching.